We are here at 25,500 Meadowbrook Road, Meadowbrook Medical Center in Novi Michigan. The other elevator just opened up. Basement is a restricted floor. You know what that means? It's got a code. Oh, look at that. The indicator doesn't work. Figured it was worth a shot. Try the code real quick. You going down?
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a great night.
You too.
Thank you. This one doesn't go to the basement. So that down call I placed will recall that elevator. These are some basic Otises, but they're really nice. Okay, there goes, that'll be it.